Good luck.
Thank you.
He's like our Buddha.
Easy there.
It's like a bobblehead.
Great, now he's gonna run up my pant leg.
He's gonna get in the Patrick's bag.
Put somewhere.
You flicked it.
That's the fastest I've seen Adam move.
I saw it on the end of it. Oh.
Really, Justin?
What, buddy?
What was that?
What happened? Power went out.
Yeah, buddy. Super special. El Presidente. We have a 61 Impala project sitting right here for sale.
Yeah. No lowballing. We know what it's worth.
We know what it's worth, okay, alright. So don't.
I will not take a trade for a mini truck.
Alright guys, we got pretty much everything we wanted cut away from the jam section. That's really all we need to get going. So now we'll just cut up the rest, cut up the rear part of the jam, get that all structured up. And we can finally start moving on to firewall, rockers, and all the other good stuff. Okay, Sparky.
I don't want to now.
Do it. Do it now. Do it right now. Do it. Do it. All right, we got our first door structure, door jamb, hinge assembly kind of mocked up. Figuring out where everything kind of sits so we can start planning our structure and everything else. We almost dropped it, but yeah, things are finally starting to move along. We are making progress.
Got him!
We left you alone for like 3 seconds, man.
Good job, man.
Oh man. Do you feel better now?
I feel damn good.
Oh no. Holy shit, look at that pillar.
Good time.
I feel better. Guys, we got one side of the Studebaker pretty much mocked up. We know the direction that we're going from here. The roof actually fit more correctly than we thought it would. You can see it's not too far off from what we're trying to do. So we're anticipating on taking anywhere from 3 to 4 inches out of the roof to make that fit. We're gonna have to modify what was the rear door of the Stude to kind of flush that into the rear quarter, but we finally have an established direction. Everything is looking a lot nicer than it did yesterday. So we'll check up with you guys next week.